Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do text to video masking, like shown in this example. So first we need a video or an image or an asset. You can go to any website, copyright-free website you like. I like using Freepik just because it's easy to use. Here you can type anything you like to get some results. Then go to assets. Let's do search for videos. Okay, now let's search. Okay, here we get a bunch of videos. The ones that have crowns on them, that means that they're premium, they're not free. So let's select the ones that are free. So this one doesn't have crown on it, so let's click it and download it. So there's 4K, we don't need that much quality, 1080p is fine. Let's click download. Then you can save it anywhere in here, in your desktop. Then let's go back to After Effects. Make sure you're on the Effects panel. And again, make sure to go to Workspace and reset Effects to saved layout, just so we can have the same workspace layout. Click on Project. And now let's drag and drop our media into the project. Make sure you drop it into the project and not accidentally in Effects Control. If you try to drop it here towards work, you need to drop it in the Effects Work panel. Okay, now let's make a new composition. So we can click here to make a new composition. Let's do 1920 by 1080, 25 frames per second. The background color is black. And we can name it Comp1, click OK. Then let's click and drag our video to the Comp1. Notice how in here is still Comp1. And then here we can set it to fit, so it fits the whole panel. You can use your mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out, and hold spacebar to move the workplace. And you can select the quality here. If you have a weaker computer, you can go to a lower quality, but just know that when you do export the video, it will always be on full quality. This is just to preview it, okay? So I'm gonna do full for now. So I'm gonna rename this video, press enter to rename it. I'm gonna name it video. Then let's click on the text tool. Click and drag anywhere to make a rectangle. Then let's call it text. So after that, you want to do Control A to select the whole text, and you can resize it from here. You can choose a different color from here. You can choose any font you like from here. I like the previous font, so I'm gonna do Control Z to go back. We can do the separation from here. Okay. Then after we're done, click anywhere and on an empty area in the timeline to deselect. Let's go to the Move Selection tool to move it somewhere in the middle. That's good enough. So now how do we mask this video to the text? So what you're gonna do is go toggle switches. This thing, I know it's very hidden down here, but toggle switch, click on it. Now you will have these controls shown. Let's click on the video and on the video track mat and select text. Okay, wherever layer you would like. And as you can see here, we've selected the text as the track mat. Okay. So now you can animate the text however you like. So what I'm gonna do some 3D of the text coming toward the camera. So let's toggle switches. Again, turn it into 3D. And also, if you like, turn motion blur on. Okay, now notice we have X, Y, and Z. So Z is 0. So we're going to click on the stopwatch to animate it. Click and drag on the Z axis to bring it down or up, and you can hold Shift to make it go faster. Okay, that's good enough. Let's zoom in into the timeline. Move the cursor to maybe like 2 seconds, and again go back to the Z, hold Shift, and make it bigger. Okay, that's good enough, and make sure you also move the X, and again move the Z more, until you can't see any more texts. So see how the motion blur is messing with us? So I am going to turn motion blur off for this text layer. And I'm going to move the Z back. Okay, so let's look at the video now. Okay, that's good. We can move the timing, so we have 2 keyframes. If it's too fast, move the second keyframe a little bit longer, to like maybe around 4 seconds. And what I like to do is right click on the first keyframe assistant, and do easy ease in. And for the last one, do easy ease out. Now you have smooth animation. Okay, that's good. Now let's see where we want the video to end. Maybe we want it to end at 16 seconds. Click N. So there's 2 hotkeys. There's B, and then there's N. So if you go to the beginning, press B to set the start of the range, and then go to the last frame you would like to render, and press N to set the range out. Okay, after everything looks good to you, go to File, Export, and add to Render Queue. And here, make sure you select where you want to save the video. Click on here. Maybe I want to save it in my Downloads folder. Let's rename it to anything. Let's say my name. Click Save, and let's render. And there you go, your first video is rendered and good to go.